Today we got these lights for our kitchen. They got a little colored ring, which I think will look good at night. Currently, we got these. We're gonna pull them out. It's really pretty simple to get these out. I'm gonna show you what's in this package. When you open up the package, you get a user manual. This will help you connect these to the internet, and you gotta download the app and stuff. So you gotta look at those. These are what hold it up in the ceiling. And then there's 4 lights in this one. These are 6-inch. And you see how they're recessed into there? This inner ring right here does a color, and these are just white lights in the middle. Each one of these lights gets 2 of these, and they pop right into here. You give it a little push, and there's like a one-way thing right there, and now it's stuck in there. We're gonna do that on both sides. There's a clip here which makes it so that you can screw this in and then plug it into here, and then we'll push this up into this. It's always a good idea to shut off the light so you don't get electrocuted. If you have this type of light, to get them out, you're really just gonna kind of find the edge. I have these plastic rings because if you look at this, these holes are not great. But anyhow, you can buy these. I'll put a link to them. And if it doesn't fit perfectly, it will after you get these rings. So to get these out, you see these little things? These are the, give that a snap right there. And then this one, and they come right out. You pull that and it's undone. While I'm here, I just tested the new one on the old one and it fits perfectly. So you could just check the one that you have up there. You might not need to reinstall this if you already have a extender like this in there. So we're just gonna hang up the new one and see what it looks like. I added my ring extender on here. So if you look at it, it comes out just a little further to block this. When somebody did this, they did a terrible job, and that is what I am fixing with that ring. First, gonna wanna do is plug in this wire that's right here to the current wire. It should fit right in there, a little click. You're gonna grab these and you push them together, and you just push them into the little area. Once you've done that, push it up, and then you want to center this so that it looks good. So when you turn on the lights, then this thing blinks. You see? You're going to want to hook it into the app now. Once you download the app and you got your light blinking, you hit Add Devices right here in the top menu. It's going to look around for whatever's blinking. It'll pop up. You hit the Add button, put in your Wi-Fi information, and then it downloads a little something. Once it does that, you can choose that light. Once you get into that light, you can see the main light or the auxiliary light. You just click on those and you can change the settings. For this, I chose Iceland Blue right here at the top, the first choice. Here's what that's going to look like. You're going to have that little spiraling effect, and it shuts off the middle light, or you can have it on. Either way you like. There's a lot of different choices, so you got to go through them and try them all, or you can just have a solid color.